What are the common reasons for a pending sound issue on Find My AirPods?
Hello and welcome to our video. Today, we're tackling a common problem faced by AirPods users, the pending sound issue on Find My AirPods. This issue can be a major headache, especially when you're trying to find your misplaced AirPods. But don't worry, we're here to help. Let's dive in.
What is the pending sound issue?
This problem occurs when you try to play a sound on your AirPods using the Find My app, and instead of the expected ping, you get a message that says, "Sound pending." This can happen for several reasons, and understanding them is the first step to resolving the issue.
Is your AirPods battery dead?
One of the most common reasons for the pending sound issue is that the AirPods battery is completely drained. If the AirPods have no power, they won't be able to play the sound or communicate with your device. So before trying other solutions, ensure your AirPods are charged.
Are your AirPods out of range?
Another reason for the pending sound issue could be that the AirPods are out of range from your iPhone or other device they're paired with. The Bluetooth connection typically works within a range of about 33 feet or 10 meters. If the AirPods are too far from your device, they won't be able to play the sound.
Are your AirPods in their case?
This might sound strange, but your AirPods need to be out of their case to play a sound. If they're snugly tucked inside their case, they can't make a sound. This is a built-in feature to avoid the risk of damaging the speakers when the case is closed.
Have you checked your device's settings?
Sometimes, the pending sound issue may be due to your device's settings. You need to make sure your device is connected to the internet and has Bluetooth turned on. Also, check that the Find My app has the necessary permissions in your device settings. We hope that this video has been helpful in understanding the common reasons for the pending sound issue on Find My AirPods. Remember, don't panic. Go through these steps, and with a bit of luck, your AirPods will be pinging again in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.